Mema Olivia Kwaba Eba GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Banti Biakasa, where your political analyst or the Simotu, what they say, CBA say at Japan, some dollar and a partner post. See here a pragmatic leader to say Kennedy Agyapong to handle that. Now, so I'm the and 7 minutes about Mr. Say. So when you subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Would you ever say over click a subscribe button? Now, what barely notification, we have a video for phobia, they upload also once ever can be. I feel we are not like a video on the best thumbs up. Nothing, what share my awful for so in your big I feel Yamko a year and sibling. A year now on a year, Stephen Amwa, a deputy minister for finance, a year beside city depreciation, who has a year ritual problem. To say, a couple of factors here. And no amount for at city flight to say, almost peanuts, any of us, I need it, and yes, I'm to one. Now, when I hear political analysts began to say, you see, no, here would be our yet pragmatic leader to say Kennedy Agyapong, to say, or Boakye Kennedy Agyapong, so now or that in some good one. Now, yes, similarly, you're moving a year and some year political analysis at the 2 FIA, CDS, say, attitude upon some year who be a day to a year economic management team, a year Bawumia down our own who be a year, and some year a brandy at the 2 in some.
We have practical and pragmatic leader in the Kweku Agyapong. Now, what you need after initiate the import substitution industrialization. I'm a Ghana, your currency, no, who are there, no, I'm a economy, no, so actually, I'm a Ghana for your after you. The cash economy, no, is yes, maybe on people, on practical aspects. Ghana for Jubilee House, I'm a human crowd, and that's somewhere. That is Kennedy Agyapong upon the power. That is the power that can bring the Ghana's currency to a strongest form.
Yeah, then Yankopon ase Mr. Frank Adani Mamimbi so Stephen Amwa or your deputy finance minister or say is an intellectual dishonesty say be blaming NPP are buying over the city depreciation. What you say?
Na yeda you Stephen Amwa se papa the intellectual dishonesty the be blaming NPP government the omona omwa also the city depreciation and the hardship in Ghana's economy. But the American said, you cannot manage the economy with propaganda.
Okay.
Now, in fact, Ghana, ya bregu. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Ghana, ya bregu. NPP party, ya bregu. Professor Adorye, former President Akufo-Addo, the NPP party you built, a bregu. And Penufo in the 4 years of why you walk NPP party. Now, T and Sama, you are saying, I'm what the guy, or sit by a doctor, or no other sooner yet the deputy finance minister. Now, only began and mean the sick and send one she shall want to Ghana, ye mobile. Kennedy Agyapong, Japan, but she and I bread. We have this kind of leaders. Now, you see, we are pretending. Whenever we have an intellectual discussion, and so you prove ourselves with evidence.
Yes.
Now, and then you have to catch say, a city depreciation, no, a spiritual as a ritual. Okay. As an Ayancha, let's reproduce say, on video, the current president of the Republic, Nana Akufo-Addo, Jakpa Ghana. You see the depreciation, no? Any economy, no? Now, you really do not have an eye at your Kojo Kyeremanteng.
See the Naya, hata. I want him be any. I don't see one year teacher, the young over so. Kahubi. Kahubi till I'm a coffee, Bawumia. Some coming home. Yes, she say, you see, Casamno, a year, Sicano, the moon yet to build. Let me be a Jubilee House Ghana.
$1, 1 CD. In the time of Mills and Mahama, 2 CDs, $1. Why was done? I would say to the people of Ghana, I'm sorry. We are sorry for the poor work we have done. We're going to go and think about ourselves. But that is not the people we're dealing with. The fruits of office, the money under the table has become sweet for them, so they're determined to stay. Are we going to allow that to happen? Are we going to allow that to happen? In Kufuor's time, one of the people who advised and helped him develop a strong CD was my running mate, Bawumia. Then he was deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana. It's one of the reasons I brought him to come and join me, that we will work on the CD and create again a strong CD that will be able to allow us to develop our economy and
you better look great. Now, you're doing Ghana first. The videos were when you actually Akufo-Addo chief. It's a say politics and change. And that's why I said you can't you woman to NPP. You the NPP in the term of Huma. And Yama and possible Ghana. Not Ghana for year Breno, you defend it. And if you see depreciated. The economy Afro-Addo some. Now we say we NPP so you defend it. I tell you, Ghana first.
Okay.
When you NPP needs me, you the NPP in the club of Fuma. The time I'm in the 18 years, Owusu Adorye 54. I was in register I'm to and my NPP apply. If you make it in more phrase, I can't remember time I'm in to about now bicycle to 12. My year to about my NPP put this up for me and I'm in the room. After I take it you. You see me next. Now one kata we nipa na wo pin se nipa na wo tin videos ya Mr. Apologies to change and no tin na bring na me cafe so ye o kandini papa o pin se nipa o woni die ye dibu mai o woni die a ye Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Annan without Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Annan Ghana we should forget it because you were Bawumia. At the center of the rumors, to hear winning a best chance. And you got to the money Mahama so dear. Or the Wababi in it, or why you are man of Bobrapa, or Bobrapa, I am found. This is Ghana for my young uniform. Maybe Yapona will be the boy in Ghana. You for her should be. So you for her should be. Now, what is a yoga doctor like Bawumia and I think Mahama about the Ghana so they are and yet not what I say. I show someone see it. It has to be 2 or 3 Ghana and I saw better Tia well. And the Ghana, the Bicataya. Now you got to know what yet. Yamponi did Dana so. First all catcher say a spiritual. Now, the economic whiskey and then another down remind. All kinds of see the Naya Hata. Not any spiritual, and not any rituals. Yankupon, the posterity will check all the NPP people who are hypocrites and not ready to speak the truth. But me, I'll speak the truth always.
Mr. Frank Adani, as a political scientist, so what is the actual cause of the cedi depreciation?
Abnawi, very simple. And you're and one say, Ghana, we only import, we don't export, and no one know.
Hey.
Problem now, and I am telling the NPP people, the economists, to come out and challenge me. We only import, we don't export, that is all. And then I must see that what they are performing.
Mr. Frank Adani, say what to me am I the cost of it, and it just to me am I a solution in a day.
Oh, my way, they are very simple. And as a political scientist, I'm from politics, look at that.
Okay.
We are now using experience and a practical aspect. Said the Kennedy Agyapong as well as doing now.
Okay.
Now, we do politics, man. We have a book called Politics of International and Economic Relations. The Ugura Kunumua, Uguru, a topic called trade and currencies. Ugura trade and currencies are you get what we call basket of currencies for international trade.
Okay.
So it means that when we talk of currencies, it deals with trade. Before I send a currency, now who thing ever possible. Now you trade higher at the world market.
Okay.
Now, see, we are seeing now there were 5 major currencies are traded at the World Trade Organization. But the most powerful and dominated one is US dollar.
Okay.
Apart from the US dollar, British pound, we also have Japanese yen, we also have euro, we also have Chinese yuan. So all these currencies are very powerful when it comes to international standards.
Okay.
Now, every country can engage in any of these currencies. So I have a member talk I say currencies that engage in greater export activities tend to have the strongest currencies under the free currency exchange system. Your party say that currencies are more good than where things say those countries, they engage in export. They engage in export and one. And as over Ghana, yes, so we engage in import. Okay. It is a one who engages in import, your currency will be weak as we are experiencing today.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Now, thus, the strength of a currency depends on demands for goods and services produced by that country at the international level. So it means that at the international level, Ghana, we don't produce anything there. And not necessarily by the amount of gold backing that currency. Yeah, would there a number also? So what to say, and then you are vice president, also to get a new say, Ghana, you see, dinner depreciate, or the gold, ever backing. Now, I say, okay, I have a mystery with enough there. It should be a compulsory for every Kenyan to study political science. Politicians in the Casape, one of my dear Babusi, Name, and I'm the hey, I drop you. I'm ready with you. But the strength of a currency depends on the demand for goods and services produced by that country at the international level, and not necessarily the amount of gold backing that currency. Not the Bawumia say, or the gold and the Babel backing Ghana, you see, I'm not more than a consular. I have to say it, I am correct. And that is it. And I'll say, exchange rate, which refers to the price of one currency against another, appear on the international or global trading scene. So the Ama you see, as what because of the young producer at the international market, you really are in town. This is the local level. This is the only solution to Ghana your problem, and they say you better export it.
Okay.
Now, that is what the theory of politics is telling us. Saying to me, export it because in exporting products from Ghana to the world market, and also it has its implication. We have what we call trade barrier. So because of say, I'm very agreeing now. We currently know what you call from they have what we call red flag trade barrier. There are some a year of check when you so that is why they only needed the raw materials.
Okay.
And so we're exporting raw materials. What we do is that you don't get any much revenue. Ghana, I am saying it with authority. The only revenue as foreign exchange, it's in my currency, now what they cost, and say Ghana for another for a new Bawumia, apart from the loan, a Flamanome. If the loan ever as a foreign exchange, now I'm what they know, airport. If the name will be put the parliament, I say Bella, or more loan from a monome. You currency, city no na ho de no e be faja nti no ya pa kwaji loan bi eba that is the only thing Ghana for you that don't tell anyone so ya na abna papa we don't catch your friend the whole can e dia Ghana for so no we don't have sophisticated machines anya dia dia you bet me produce finished goods e dia ko amano ne na yes so your currency no na ho de no akosoro now we have what we call import substitution industrialization or cultural revolution. When it comes that way, because based on their development and their standard, they are beyond that. They only needed their raw materials. And what the raw materials is as a country, what should you do? As a country, not what was checking and we importing it about the economy not say now much be now more again airport from no so not what she had done for no one touch of say this is the problem we are facing. This is a Chile and a crabber. Young Ghana ha dear then I want Ghana ha you bet me dear share and China nine young cry to you in grammar on member. There are tomatoes and a crabber. Dear then you want Ghana ha you bet me dear share tomatoes for a night young cry in sleep babimba. And no one mount for no extra and what we want the right situation. And what we want to say at the A B C D and I credit free amount of member. It is A B C D I credit amount of member. Yes, I say as of mine. Na yam pese yent mi nyebin ko wo yam mu a yam pe ade a ye betumi ayuzu wo oman mu a eno na ya pepe that's improvisation.
Okay,
that's import substitution. You can substitution a ade we who ye fi wo e de foforo aba be show
yo wait for waiting and some year apparently to that wada and some brady fire Kennedy Agyapong because this is new so and now hello so when you subscribe ya message say over subscribe no like it now I share video no ama offer so any na watch it so betting actually what me afire and somewhere down I will comment box me mobati linkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.